Hey everybody, welcome to Meat's Plant-Based Kitchen. Today we are cooking up the ultimate vegan veggie burger. An untraditional no bean burger. We start off by slicing up some onion. This time we have a red onion. You can use whatever you wish. You can do either rings or long slices. It's up to you. And then when slicing the tomato, we want nice thick slices. The portobello mushroom can be cooked whole or it can be sliced up. When slicing the eggplant, we want nice patty-shaped sizes, about the width of the bun or size of the bun. Not too thick, but thicker than the tomato slice. One eggplant will do plenty of burgers, depending on how well you slice it. And with the cucumber, you want to slice it nice and thin. Too thick and it becomes a very noticeable clump within the sandwich. For the potato roasty part, it is one potato per burger, and you can either slice it up with a grater by hand, or you can use a food processor if it has the grating attachment like I do. With each potato, it's about 2 tablespoons of flour, your choice. This time we're using a gluten-free. And then I added in some red pepper flake, a little bit of salt, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's well mixed up, you want to press it into a patty, whether you have a hamburger mold or do it by hand. That's up to you. Doing it on wax paper does make it easier to flip into the pan. Once your pan is nice and hot, add the olive oil, and from there we'll place everything into the pan together. I always start with the burger first because it takes a little bit longer to cook, then the eggplant. Place your mushrooms in there, add in your onions, and let them cook on each side for a few minutes. You want just a nice golden brown on the potato roasty side. It takes maybe 3 minutes per side, depending on your thickness. We also add some vegan butter to help crisp it up, add some extra flavor throughout the whole dish. I like to take everything out and put it onto a paper towel to soak up any excess oils or grease. There's never really any grease. And make sure we toast the buns. Put them into the pan with a little bit of butter on it, and it'll be nice and golden. When plating the burger, you want to put harissa sauce on both sides of the bun, top and bottom. And then this time I layered on the mushrooms and onions underneath with the eggplant next, and then the potato roasty burger on top of that. And you're welcome to add in more onions and mushrooms if you have any left. Otherwise, I go straight into the tomato and cucumber, and then a little bit of greens, and place it all together, and she's all set. And that's the burger. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you had great success with this at home. If you needed any more tips, please comment below. As always, like and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you.
Alive.
Yep.
Boy.